The Realme X8 Pro 5G smartphone is likely to be priced at Rs. 29,990 in India. The Realme X8 Pro 5G is rumored to launch in the country on December 18, 2022, unofficial. The smartphone is likely to have one more storage and RAM variant, Realme X8 Pro 5G 256GB 8GB. As for the color options, the Realme X8 Pro 5G smartphone can be available in navy blue, white and rainbow colors. As the world moves towards a digital world, more and more people are switching to smartphone-based modes of communication. And with smartphones comes the need for high-quality mobile phone services. That's where Realme comes in. They make some of the best smartphone models on the market, perfect for those who want cutting-edge technology without having to break the bank. In this post, we'll be discussing the Realme X8 Pro 5G price in India 2022, specifications, features, and how to buy online. So if you're looking for a top-of-the-line smartphone model that you can use without worrying about budget restrictions, be sure to check out the Realme X8 Pro 5G price in India 2022 specifications. Buy Realme X8 Pro 5G launch in India on December 18, 2022, unofficial, for 29,990 rupees. The handset is expected to feature an immersive 6.55-inch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, so you can enjoy watching videos or playing games with a crystal clear view. Additionally, the phone is rumored to have 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. With such a large internal storage, you can store videos, movies, songs and other things without worrying about space limitations. The camera specs of this upcoming phone are really impressive. On the front, the mobile should have one camera on the back.